Hi, Harry.
Hi.
Thanks for taking the time for this interview. So, what do you think about the venue being in the London Central Hotel instead of Barcelona? What do you think about the venue and the about?
I personally, I think it's great that they put this on, and it's also, from my EMEA perspective, that they're going around and doing this on tour perspective. I think it's great that they can go and meet the partners that we work with, and but also us with our local team. So no, I'm very pleased that it's been done.
Oh, that's good. I think it's great too. So, turning about the communication these days, we see that of course it's the main message is VCF, and it's like an old Jeopardy contest where the answer is VCF, but what are the questions? So I want to like to dive a little bit into more around the three S's of the things that we will enhance from the Arrow side into the broadcasting community. So being the strategy, how are we interlocked and moving forward with our strategy for Arrow and Broadcom, VMware by Broadcom?
Yeah, so in terms of strategy, you kind of answered it, right? So it is this VCF-first mentality, and we're there to help enable our partners be able to deliver that, because ultimately this is where Broadcom is going, is where VMware is going, is where we are going, and also the whole ecosystem. So ultimately, being able to help our partners be able to deliver that and give them the confidence to be able to position it is something that we can help with in terms of enablement, where it comes to sales enablement, technical enablement, so all these things that we can offer.
Good. Moving on to the next two of the assets, which is the services. I know that we have a really broad portfolio or type of service because you relate it directly or indirectly to the portfolio that we support around VCF. Can you elaborate a little bit around the services that we do and the different kind of services we do for the partners and the community?
Yeah, so we offer, as Arrow, we have a broad range of services, whether that actually be a managed services, whether it be financial services, whether it be our technical services and pre-sales and engineering enablement. These are things to help go and, align to the Broadcom strategy around that VCF-first that we can offer and give as part of a really kind of a consultancy kind of role for our
Right. Okay. That's good. Yeah, I think there's a need for that. So moving on to the latest, the last of the assets, which is around support. We can support our partners and the partner community within the traditional thought about support, but knowing when there comes changes in the partner program, etc., we are always given a heads up early so we can prepare and really give the right messaging and positioning for the partner.
Yeah, absolutely. I think, Arrow in general, we are uniquely positioned in this very strategic relationship with Broadcom in general.
Yeah.
So you got VMware, but also if you look at the Symantec piece, Bitnami, all of these things, we are so tightly locked on that executive level, on local level, but also all the way up, right? So what we're able to do is when it does come to changes, we can be an advisor towards our partners because we get the priorities early, we get the programmatic changes early, and we'll always be transparent with our partners so that we can be agile and adapt to these new things that come.
Thank you so much for helping out with this interview and really enhancing our added value into the distribution chain. So thank you so much, Harry.
Cheers.
And
Thank you.
cheers. Bye.